Short video. These are the French fries I made. In the last batch, I overcooked them just a bit. Nice looking French fry. Big French fry. Mmm. Big French fry. Big French fry. Yeah, so, okay, I'm going to start this video right now. Real quick. I'll probably rip out this page. First, let's go over the basics of numbers. First, it's 1-0. We can get this as a field goal, a home run, a goal scored, a point. Okay. Basketball, the only way to get this is to get a foul of some sort. In baseball, the only way to get this, okay, in one shot is 2 RBIs, as somebody has to knock 2 guys in. But in basketball, every regular shot is 2 points. You can get 1 goal, 2 assists. 2 assists. You can get a field goal if you're not trying to get your 10 yards anymore. 4 points or go around the bases 4 times. So I'm just going to bring up the seconds. 1 plus 0 gets the same number. 2 can be now 2 and... Wow, that was crazy. 2 can now be 2 and 1. 3 will be 3-1, 3-2. 4 will be 4-1, 4-2, 4-3. 5 will be the same thing. So as we do these, every single one will come out with a number. This one will get 1 because that's the most we can get. We'll never make it a tie game. Otherwise, we'll be 0-0, 10-10, and that'll be starting over again. Here we get 1 and 2. A total is 3. Here we get 1, 2, 3. A total is 6. 613 laws of Moses. 6 points for a touchdown. 3 points for the field goal, and 1 for the extra point. 5 will get 1, 2, 3, 4 will equal 10, and we're back to 1 again. We're back to 1 again. 6 will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will equal to 15. Now we're at 6. Then we'll get to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will equal to 21. Will now equal to 3. All the way towards 8 will equal to 28, and we're back to 1 again. Now we add all the way up to 9, it equals to 36, and now we get 9. This is our first 9, and now the cycle begins all the way back at the beginning. Again, because we're going to go back to 1. You want to talk about cancer, terminally ill, terminal, term, tear is also an expression of Earth. 2 and 3 is the BC world, the electronic world. The army, me is the halfway. 9 is the birth, resident angel. Not applicable, crossover, angel, okay. How about a double A inside AZ? Inside AZ, we can now create a double A. Well, we're supposed to actually put it over there, right? But this is the part we're actually taking up. So what do we actually have left over? We have 2, it looks like. Anyways, I didn't want to get into that. We get term, we get terminally ill, terminal, IL, 9 and 3. This will create the Y, which will create the Earth and the skies of Saturn inside terminally ill, I and L, 9 and 12, 21. Igniting the cube, 4 times 3 equals to the 12. The minimum, 1 and 2 needs to be created here, and 2 and 1 have to be created here. When you draw this separation, this is what 7 does. It divides, and then it becomes the corner of the building. It's also the flag to Brazil, but you don't see it yet. It's also in the insignia for the game Reboot. Gate, when you put gates, it becomes that magical 70. And everybody knows what 7 does. Everybody knows what the 7 does. It brings on the percentage. And then you bring the S involved in that. And then you end up with exactly what it looks like. Here's your S. And you just have your 8 on the other side. And you have your 9. And you have your 6, the percentage sign of what's now on the top. See this line over here? There's nothing over here. Well, when you play pool, they see one of this like this, and the other one's like this. Like this over here. Is that the way it is? Anyways, so now we have Jack and Jill. And Jack plugged up the terminal. Hey, Jack, Jill, go up the hill, plug the terminal. You'll get the pill and be terminally ill. Bring in the army and all the ants, and we'll be off to the other society. So we only have one corner over here. So we're talking one, right? Talking the cube, there's one on how many sides? Is there a one? We're not going to go over this. The next one would be over here. The next one, you see there's three, one, one, and one. But there's none other. They're only going to be able to see one, one, and one. Three of them. Two of them are over here. There's three of these and two of these because there's two and two with one on it and one without and two without. So we add S to gate. We get gates at 70. We don't only get gates at 70, okay? 51 plus 19. We also get 51. I'm not doing the low count. We get 51 and 10 becomes 61. Now this will be your opposition. On the cube, it's also the plug-in moons for Saturn. At the same time, the plug-in moons for Saturn, okay, this will also be reduced to 1 with the S. So once you have the gates, you're coming in and coming out, 51 now becomes 52. The total is 103. It equals Mars 51, Earth 52, Mercury 103. 103, all zeros equal 6, becomes 163, and we're back to this rotation, the 613 laws of Moses, 365 days of laws, 248 equals 96 rotation, 8, 12, 14 equals 5, 11, 12, 13, 14 equals 5, 7 times 6 is 42, 7 plus 6 is 13, equals to 55, 5 times 5 is 25, and now we have the key to Earth. We have the split in the road. We have 120, 120, 120, 3, 3, 3. We bring another one just like that. We have every time this one goes around once. This goes around 3 times. It hits this one. Boom, it turns. It goes around again, hits this one, turns. Goes around again, hits this one, turns. This one has to go around one more time. Look, this one has 4. This one only has 3. So this one will have to hit this one, this one, this one, and this one. So this will go 1 and 1/3. The changing of the stars, the changing of the guards. Look at all the picture cards in the deck of cards that we play. Also look at 6, 7, and 8 equal to 21. The reverse of 6, 7, 8 is 2, 3, 4. That's our vibration equaling to 9. 9 and 3 create the skies of Saturn. Or how about 9 and 12 and I'm terminally ill? I'm not quite sure what else I didn't leave in here, what I doubled up, but that's okay. I'm still not finished one of my videos. I didn't do this thing on time. Sometimes I forget. I might come back and finish what I was talking about. Moving certain degrees, right? There's a 9-star, an 8-star, 7-star. You can have a 12-star, but that would be 1 hour, right? 12-star? How about an 18-star? An 18-star will give me 10 minutes, right? An 18-star will give me 180 degrees for 12 hours. A 12-point star will give me, do you understand what I'm saying? 360 degrees twice. This time clock goes around twice, right? 360, 360. I mean, a day consists of 720, yet there's only 720 minutes and a half a day. How do I get that? Well, when the clock turns around twice, it's 360 times 2 is 720, right? 360 and 360. Why don't we count it again? 3 and 3, 6. 6 and 6, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. We just went around all the moons of Jupiter. 6 by 3 is 18 and 9, 27. Win a big red sun. Power up. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I still have this to finish. Squaring off 5 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 3. Thank you for watching this video.